Hello beta, your lecture continue. We are discussing about business letter. Your third point, use the right layout and salutation. Business letter have quite strict rules when it comes to layout, format and order. You need to include the senders and the recipients addresses and follow some simple rules. Okay, include senders and a recipient's address. First of all, start with the sender's address. You can write it in the top right or left corner. Don't include your name or title because these will appear at the end of your letter. Leave an empty line and write the date. Very important point. Below the sender's address, if you are writing to a company in the United States, remember to use the American date format, month, date, and year. And if you write Indian letter, write date, month, and year as usual. Next one, leave another empty line and write the recipient title, name, position, and address. Pay attention to title. We use Mr. for men and Miss for unmarried women and Mrs. for women we are not sure are married. Okay, Mr. for men and Miss for unmarried women and Mrs. for women we are not sure are married. Okay, and Mrs. for married women, it is always safest to just use Miss for women. Here is an example: 14 Bridge Street, Bavaria, California, 9 lakh 2908, March 11, 2006. Miss Jenny Smith, Customer Care Manager, Chapman and Lit 711-2980, Nola Street, Mankato, Mississippi 96522. Okay, this is your recipient address, and this one your address, sender's address, and here is date mentioned. And then next point, start the letter with the right salutation. Most important point. Depending on whether you know the recipient and how well you know them, it is depend about your information about the recipient. In American English, we use a colon after salutation in the formal business letter, and in British English, we use a comma. In American English, we use colon, and in British English, we use comma. If, dear Miss Smith, if you know the recipient name, this one, and dear Zen, if you know the recipient quite well and called each other by your first names. Next point, dear sir or madam, if you don't know the recipient name to whom it may concern, dear sir or madam, if you don't know the recipient's name to whom it may concern, if you don't have a specific person to whom you are writing, it is bite more general than dear sir or madam. It is best to try to find a contact person when writing a business letter. Okay, Next one, close the letter appropriately depending on the salutation you use at the beginning. Okay, dear Miss Smith, you sincerely yours. And dear Zenny, best regards, kind regards. एंड डियर सर और मैडम, अगर ऊपर आपने डियर सर और मैडम लिखा है तो टू whom it may concern, yours faithfully faithfully yours. And next point, sign your name if you are sending a hard copy. Most important point, if you are sending a hard copy, then write your name, your title is optional, and your positions, your signature, your name. Okay, और नीचे आपकी डेजिग्नेशंस. नेक्स्ट पॉइंट, यूज appropriate vocabulary. Most important point, depending on the type of business letter you are writing, you can choose to use some of the sentences and phrases suggested below. First one, letter of complaint. Number one, I am writing to complain about. Okay. Second one, I am writing to draw your attention to. Third one, I recently purchased from your company. Next one, not only did the product arrive late, but it was faulty as well. As you can imagine, I was quite disappointed, upset when I suggested that I get a full refund. I feel entitled to refund. I would be grateful if you could give me a refund. I would appreciate it if you could replace the product. I look forward to receiving a prompt reply. These are some point suggested sentences and phrases that you can use in your letter of complaint. And second point, letter of inquiry. Phrases and sentences I am writing to inquire about. Second point, would you be kind enough to provide me with some information about this? Next point, I would be appreciative if you could help me find out. And next point, could you tell me whether I would also be interested in? These are the points that use on letters of inquiry. And then your cover letter. There are some sentences and phrases that we are used. I am writing to apply for the position of. I am writing in response to your advertisement. I would like to apply for the position. I am particularly interested in this job because, as you can see from my resume, as you will notice in my resume, I am currently employed by, I am keen to pursue a career in, or because. My main strengths are, I would be available for an interview starting. Should you require any further information, please do not hesitate to contact me. Okay, these are some phrases and sentences that use when you write cover letters. And next, adjustment letters. Please accept our apologies for, we sincerely apologize for, the mistake was apparently due to, we are currently working on, to prevent this from happening again, we understand how upset you must have been when, but unfortunately. Okay, these are phrases and sentences that use in adjustment letters. Order letters, most important letter. We would like to place an order. We look forward to receiving your offer for. Could you please confirm the prices for? We are looking forward to your confirmation. Okay, these are some types of your letter writing, and we are discussing about some sentences and phrases about your letter writing. I hope you should understand these points and write your in future you should write your better business letter. Okay, thank you, have a nice day.